In tropical and subtropical countries around the world, there is a plant known as the paradise drink of summer. Its flavor is recognized by millions of people worldwide. The annual coconut consumption reaches over 70 million tons. It's transformed into a range of valuable products, from nutritious drinks, premium beauty products, and natural pharmaceuticals to high-quality food ingredients. The shell of this fruit, which may seem like a waste product, is actually a hidden treasure trove of resources. Without further ado, let's embark on a journey to explore the coconut farm together. For older coconut trees, farmers have to climb the tree directly to cut the coconuts. Each coconut tree produces 70 to 100 coconuts per year. To reduce the weight and space before transporting to the next locations, farmers manually remove the coconut shells, making it easier to transport. The fresh coconuts are carefully placed on the boat and sailed across the calm rivers. Millions of coconuts from various places are brought to the coconut collection points. This is where the coconuts temporarily rest before being transported to the processing factories. The coconut processing process in the factory involves several stages, combining manual labor. Initially, the coconuts are stripped of their outer shell using hammers or specialized manual tools. Afterward, the brown outer shell of the coconut is shaved or peeled off, ensuring that the coconut meat surface is clean. The coconut paste, after being ground, is transferred into 1,000-liter containers. This mixture is then fed into a centrifuge machine. The centrifuge processes the lighter coconut oil, which rises to the top and is separated from the water and other impurities. As a result, the extracted coconut oil has high purity, a clear color, and retains the natural fragrance of the coconut. Dried coconut meat is a highly versatile ingredient with various applications in food, cosmetics, and healthcare. The specialized drying oven, with an accurate temperature and humidity control system, helps manage the drying process and ensures the quality of the coconut meat. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, coconut can be utilized not only for its inner part, but also for its outer shell. What may seem like waste can actually be processed into a nutritious material for organic farming. Coconut is not only a valuable food source, but also provides many benefits for the environment and the economy. If you want to witness the fascinating intricacies of these production lines and delve deeper how these factories work, then you can watch our next videos here.